Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see the complete information about Union Bank of India personal loan details. Some key information about Union Bank of India personal loan details or UBI personal loan detail. Key features: loan amount 50,000 to 15 lakhs. You will get an loan amount of 50,000 to 15 lakhs personal loan. Interest rate 10.50% to 14.50% per annum based on profile. Tenure 12 months to 60 months. Processing fee up to 2% of loan amount plus GST. So now we will see the Union Bank of India personal loan eligibility criteria. For salaried person, minimum salary must be 15,000 per month to 20,000 per month. 20,000 per month for metro cities. Age 21 to 58 years. For self-employed, to get a personal loan from Union Bank of India, minimum ITR rupees 2 lakhs per annum, business vintage 3 plus years. That means you should show an ITR filing of rupees 2 lakhs per annum, and your business must be older than 3 plus years. Then only you will get the Union Bank of India personal loan. Now we will see the documents required for Union Bank of India personal loan application. For salaried person, to get Union Bank of India personal loan, you need 3 months salary slip, bank statements of 6 months, last 6 months, KYC, Aadhaar, PAN, address proof. For self-employed, to get Union Bank of India personal loan for self-employed, 2 years ITR, business proof, GST, Shop Act license, profit and loss statements. How to apply for Union Bank of India personal loan? You can apply through online method or offline method. First of all, we will see online method. You can apply via Union Bank net banking through Paisa Bazaar or Bank Bazaar. Or if you want to apply through offline method, you can visit any nearest Union Bank of India branch and you can contact agent regarding your Union Bank of India personal loan, and they will explain you everything, and if you are eligible they will give you Union Bank of India personal loan. Thank you for watching my video friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.